So let's talk about the best finance apps for iPhone that are going to change the way you save. So, do you want to make smarter money choices and grow your savings faster? Then you need these incredible finance apps on your phone. This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. But if you want to take control of your money, you got to stay until the end, because step 3 is a game changer. All right? So step 1, you're going to track your spending like a pro, okay? The first step to better finances is knowing where your money goes, right? So apps like Mint or PocketGuard, I'll put it in the description, show you exactly how much you spend on food, your shopping, your bills. You might be surprised at how purchases add up. Now, seeing your spending in real time is going to help you make smarter choices every day. Step 2, you're going to automate your savings, okay? Saving money shouldn't be hard, okay? Apps like Acorns or Digit move small amounts of money into your savings without even you noticing. So imagine waking up to a growing savings account without any extra effort. And then you got to invest it. That's step 3. Invest and build. Once you've saved it, and you keep saving, it's time to grow your money. Now, apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront make it simple to invest, even for beginners, okay? Small investments today can turn into big rewards in the future. So start using these apps now and watch your money work for you, all right? Leave me a like, leave me a comment. We get what we give. God bless you.